Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create talking AI video. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to the browser and you have to search for the Hygiene website. You just need to type in Hygiene and then open this website. And before you use this website to create talking AI, you have to log into this website. And I have logged into this website using my Google account. And after that, we can select create a video. Okay, and choose the layout of our video. We can select landscape or portrait. And I'm just going to select landscape. Okay, and here we can choose the avatar we want to use. And you can select instant avatar, photo avatar, or studio avatar. And I'm going to select photo avatar. I'm going to select this one, Mona Lisa. Okay, and you can add the avatar to your video. You can zoom in or zoom out like this. And then we have to enter script. You can go to the script. And I'm going to add, hey, my name is Mona Lisa. Okay, and you can also change the type of the voice. You just need to click on this option and then you can choose the voice you want to use.
Hey, my name is Mona Lisa.
And after that, we're going to select submit to create the talking AI. I'm going to click on submit and just wait until the process completed, guys. Okay, and now the process is finished and I'm going to play the video to take a look at the result.
Hey, my name is Mona Lisa.
And if you want to download the video, you just need to go to the download and click on download original video. Okay, now the video has been downloaded and I'm going to check it in my download folder. Okay.
Hey, my name is Mona Lisa.
Alright guys, and that's all the way to create talking AI video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.